I'm Lily, a docent of the Anthropology Museum of Guangxi. Today, I'm going to share you an exhibit of the museum, bronze drum of Wanjiaba style. About the 8th century BC, that is, the early spring and autumn period, was the embryo period of bronze drum. People in ancient time worked it at sunrise and rested at sunset without much entertainment. After enjoying their food, poor people living in central Yunnan province would occasionally beat the copper kettle used for cooking as accompaniment for singing and dancing. Then, slowly, as a percussion instrument, bronze drum was born. This type of bronze drum is generally known as Wanjiaba style bronze drum, named after the bronze drum unearthed in Wanjiaba ancient tomb group in Chuxiong County, Yunnan province. The drum has a narrow surface, particularly swallow chest, short drum foot, large foot diameter, and a small and slightly flat body, with thin core and rough surface. Some have no decorations, and some are decorated with simple and rough patterns. In this way, the art of bronze drum was sprouting. That's all for today. Thank you. See you next time.